All right, another example. Hot dog manufacturer asserts that one of its brands of hot dogs has an average fat content of 18 grams per hot dog with the standard deviation of 1 gram. Consumers of this brand would probably not be disturbed if the mean was less than 18 grams, but would be unhappy if it exceeded 18 grams. So sort of this reverse logic. If the hot dog was skinny, we wouldn't be upset, but if it was too big, we'd be mad. It's not really true. It's kind of backwards there, but for this problem, we're going to go with that. An independent testing organization is asked to analyze a random sample of 36 hot dogs. Suppose the resulting sample mean is 18.4. What is the probability that the sample mean is greater than 18.4? Okay, so we expect it to be 18. We got a sample of 18.4. What's the likelihood of us grabbing 36 hot dogs and coming up with something like this? So let's go straight back to our calculator and type this in. All right, so we're going right back to Norm CDF. And let's see what the numbers are here. So we have an average fat content of 18 with the standard deviation of 1. So let me type that in. We'll adjust that here in a moment. So that standard deviation is not going to stay 1. For some reason, consumers are disturbed if it's less than 18, but would not be disturbed if it was less, but would be unhappy if it was bigger than 18. So I've got a lower bound of 18. I want to know 18 or bigger. So lower of 18, upper of infinity. And we're looking at 36 in our sample. So I need to adjust that 1. 1 divided by the square root of 36. Yes, I know it's 6. Anyways, type it in like that. I am sorry, hold on a second. Suppose the resulting sample is 18.4. What's the probability that it is greater than 18.4? Okay, so we're not actually looking at it bigger than 18. We want it to be actually bigger than 18.4 for the lower bound. Okay, and then I want to just hit enter. And I get a probability of 0.008. And got 0.0082. So fairly unlikely that we would have 36 hot dogs that would be that large together. So does that statement indicate that the manufacturer's claim is incorrect, given how small that probability was? Well, for right now, that's a pretty small number, and that's not a very likely option. So we would be very concerned if we had a p-value of something that small.